Table Tennis Champions League Men. The European Table Tennis Union (ETTU) runs the most important international club competition, the Table Tennis Champions League (TTCLM). The Men's European Champions League started in the 1998-99 season. It was meant to replace the European Club Cup of Champions, which had been the best European club competition since the 1960-61 season. Borussia Düsseldorf has won the men's competition title 12 times, more than any other club. In the 1988-1989 season, they won their first one. La Villette Charleroi of Belgium is still in second place, with 7 titles and 4 in a row, 2001-2004. 4 clubs have won the trophy 5 times each: CSM Cluj, Slavia/Sparta Praha, Spartacus Budapest, and the Russian club Orenburg, which won in 2011, 2012, 2014, 2016, and 2018. GSTK Jesnik Zagreb has won less championship than TTC Zugbrück Grenzow, which has won 3 times. The new season of the top European club competition will start in September 2022. On Wednesday, the group stage of the Men's Champions League starts with games in Group C in Romania and Group D in Spain. Groups A and B will start a day later, and both will be played in the Czech Republic. In Group A are the teams GDCS Juncal from Portugal, Topspin Messina EUCI from Italy, the host team HB Ostrov ZS, and Asisa Borjesval from Spain. In Group B, the host team, SKSD Tesla Batteries Haberov, plays against Post SV Mulhausen 1951 EDV from Germany, RTL SD Compostela from Spain, and Solex Consult Wiener Neustadt from Austria. In Group C, CSSAC Oderhia Sequoiask will be hosting Italy's USD Apuania Carrara Tennistabolo, Germany's TTC Nulm, and Czech Republic's TTC Club Ostrava 2016. In Group D are the host country, Spain's Liga Inia Iring TDM, Liga Inia, the Czech Republic's SFSKK El Nino Praha, and France's AS Pontoise Sergi TT. In 2021-22, the Romanian team CSSAC Oderhia Sequoiask also played in the group stage of the Champions League Men. At the end of the season, they were in the semi-finals of the Europe Trophy.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.